There we go, it's absolutely beautiful in here. But it's time for a bit of lunch. And I think that's where I'm going to put my little hammock up. And so I can sit there and eat my lunch. Sitting in all the bluebells. There you go, Stinky's. Look, here you go, Dad. Here's the spot. Good girl. Old Stinky's made herself particularly comfortable. She's got a log, dug a hole, and resting on the old log. Can't beat going out with your dog. And lots of mozzies to eat. It's that time of the year again. But you know, listen to it, look around these woods. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and so close to home. It's, you know, it's all part of the permitted walk. I haven't got to drive anywhere. It's literally probably about half hour from my home, these woods here, which is not a lot in the grand scheme of things. Oh, it's time for a bit of lunch. I'm going to be using my Coleman Fyrestorm. Great bit of kit for boiling a brew really quickly. Get everything in this. I get my gas stove, or the gas. Take that off. There's a windshield. Stove that just protects the liner of the pot. So it all fits in there really nicely. So great bit of kit. I've had it, must be 3 or 4 years now. It's no good for cooking food. It's really making a brew and boiling the bag like I've got here today. So that's what I'm having for my lunch today anyway, a boil in the bag. That goes in there like that. That connects over there like the windshield, and that just sits on the top. I'm going to fill it with water, or actually what I'm going to do. So what I do, I've made, quite often I make my own boil in the bags. I bought from, I believe it was Lakeland a few years back. I bought a big pack of boil in the bags. So all I do, bit of homemade food, or this is actually a can of beef stew, this one, that paid, you know, £1 for or whatever. And that was out of date, in fairness. That is like some of my stored food, so I thought, yeah, that'd do today. So, but all I've done, I stuck it in one of those bags. I plonked that in there. Bags from Lakeland that cost me about £5 or something like that for 50 of them, I think it was. Yeah, really, you know, cheap alternative for boiling the bags rather than your £5 or £6. There you go, look, flame ignition. But yeah, your £5 or £6 for a new one, for a boil in a bag when you can pay £1. It's no winner really, isn't it? So, but yeah, I'll stick the lid on. And I'll just keep it in these bags just to stop the chance of it breaking its seal. But you know, for when you're on a hike 24 hours out or something like that, a few of those in a pot, you're not going to catch any food poison or anything like that, and you've got made a relatively cheap meal for when you're out. And that can, I think when I looked at it, it held like 400 calories. So that's quite a few calories there for when you're on a good hike for, you know, 24 hours. So you hear the noise, Fyrestorm. Let's take you over for a closer look. There we go. There we go, cooking away nicely in there. Nice little lid that comes with it, obviously. And obviously I've set my hammock up and I'm going to sit with all these bluebells and eat my lunch. So just put a soup in there that I'm going to use out of the water, but that's boiling up already. You know, I know loads of people, especially at the moment, have got a thing about the wood gas stoves. And yeah, they're great if you're on a camp, but when I'm out on a hike and all that, I like gas. It's so much cleaner, leaves all your kit nice and clean, and it doesn't matter what the weather as well. So you can hear that boiling away. So, whoop. Look at that. And see, look how well that's working in that bag. And all I've got is a little clip on there, if you can see that little green tie around it, so it seals it all in, and that's going to make, you know, does brilliantly. Yeah, be a nice little lunch and just eat out the bag, eat out the pot over around there. So, and I'll have my soup. That'll be a nice little lunch. Just going over why I like my old Fyrestorm rather than the jet boils. They've got a lower centre of gravity, which in my book gives them more stability, which I prefer. So, but yeah, great bit of kit. Like taking it out, and like saying, you know, unless I'm out for a proper camp, I'm a gas person because it's nice and clean, puts away clean and tidy. So, but yeah, great. Oh, there we go. Got my brew over there, and I can sit back and enjoy lunch. Good thing about these bags as well, they stretch right around your pot, so you can eat straight out your pot, no mess, and all you've got to do is take away your bag afterwards. So a nice lunch, sitting in the woods surrounded by bluebells. Good stew too. Very hot. Very hot. But that's my lunch finished, and all I've got to do now, peel it out of there, that go back in the bag. That's nice and clean, not even dirty, so there's like a liner in there as well. Got it sussed, and it all folds back up and back in the bag that we put it in.